Good evening. Hope everybody's enjoying this beautiful weather. I know we are at the job site. I'll start it up, guys. Huh? All right. So, great progress at the school this month. Here's a nice picture that the drone took from the CTE class of basically the whole building there from out away from the building. This month, progress update. The subgrade has been cut and the stones being installed on Rough Grouse Road and the roundabouts. Transformer, generator, and dumpster pad has been poured. We continue sprinkler installation throughout the building. Roofing has started. Gas lines been installed. The brick and ground face CMU is started. The MEP rough ends continue in all the areas of the building. AEP has pulled wire to the last junction box before the transformer. They'll be hooking that up either tomorrow or maybe next Tuesday or Wednesday. We'll have power up there where we can get temporary power to the building. The site conduit throughout to the signs and all the fields is in progress. The sewer line installation continues on both sides of the building at this time. Some upcoming work. We'll continue to install the retaining wall by the sports fields parking lot. We'll start installation of curb and gutter this Thursday on Rough Grouse Lane, and then move to the bus parking and then the front parking. We'll start the retaining walls at the football field later this month. We'll continue above ceiling and wall MEP rough ends in B, C, and D. Complete the exterior metal stud framing. There's very little left, mainly around the dining area. Complete the exterior sheathing. Most of that is on except the dining area. Complete the wood blocking on the exterior around the windows and around the top of the building so we can put our spray foam insulation on, and then continue installing roofing. A few pictures of the site. This is Rough Grouse Lane from the entrance down at the first roundabout where they've been installing the stone, and this is where they'll start the curb and gutter this week. We're cutting the parking lot down to subgrade for the bus parking this week. This is the retaining wall that goes over kind of to the backside of the athletic parking lot. It's going to be a pretty nice looking wall. This is a transformer pad, dumpster pad, and generator pad was poured last week. This is a sewer line on the north side of the building where we tied into the existing. They started that this week. This is some of the blue skin where we are ready for spray foam in this area around the windows. This is a spray foam at the gym. The whole building has this 3 inches of spray foam on it to help with. It's also an air barrier. This will help insulate the building as well. It's hard to see. They have started brick. This is on the back side. It's already in progress. Inside the building, they continue roughing. Here's some roughing in area C. That's you can see the copper piping, the cable tray, and they got duct hangers there for hanging duct. This is on area A, the upper floor. They just got all the decking and things on up there, so now they're starting the rough end of the ductwork on the second floor of area A. This is a roof completed on the D wing, which is the lower wing of CTE. It's already been installed, and they're working on the C wing now, getting it installed. This was yesterday, so I expect they're another third or close to having that done now, after today. So that's all the pictures I have. I do have a short video. Well, it's not real short, but this is a fly-through that the CTE class did. One of their students of the academic wing. We didn't go over into the gym and auditorium because I understand there was one of those online already from someone else. So we started at the bus entrance, the CTE wing here to the right. That's the first one. Continue down the hall. To the left here is the robotics lab. We come on down through here. Excuse me, this is the robotics lab. Sorry about that. This is the courtyard area where they see it's pretty fast. And we're still coming down. This is the other CTE wing. We're going now, flying down to the cafeteria and the main entrance after he spins her back around.
Makes me dizzy.
So the cafeteria, the main entrance, the main office area. Here we go, big man coming. So now we're getting ready to go upstairs. We'll zoom up to the second floor. Take a right, cross the little bridge. Off to the right, the special ed area. Down the hall we go, towards the north. Take a left, science wing. There's 6 science classrooms. This is for your chemistry, biology, whatever else those programs are. Got a view of the outside of the end of the hallway out to the mountains. Whee! Got a little mess there. Into one of the science rooms. Gonna fly through back into the hall. Whew. You know, cut through the prep room between the science rooms, zoom by the lift, and back down the hall towards the main hall. Elevator on the right. Library on the right. Headed down to the medical wing. Oh, nope, you're going to stop and take a look in between the shop areas. The courtyard there. Take a left, go down the hall here. Cosmetology on the right. The rest of them are all medical, pharmacy. All those programs are down this hallway. Zoom into one of the classrooms. Don't just quit. I think this might be cosmetology. Back down the hall to the end. Businesses on the right. We done lost me now. Oh, we're coming back down the hallway, going south. We're gonna go upstairs. Oh, he is already upstairs. This area is academic wings. On the 2 wings, the first one that we just saw, they'll be starting their framing on that area this week, tomorrow. This is the other classroom area here. This area now, since this was taken, has a roof over this area right here, and the other wing will be in the next few days. So now he's coming back down the steps and back to the bus entrance. So you see how fast our workers are going? That's how we're gonna get this building done, y'all. Caught me sitting down watching him do his little drone thing. Any questions or comments? Real exciting up there. Less than a year away, school will be open.
job.
Thank you.
Anything? All right, thank y'all.